Jack Daniels is one of my favorite distilleries, but I have never dove into any of their distillery series stuff. Until now. Let's get into it. Hello everyone, welcome back to Brad's Bourbon Reviews. I'm Brad, and today I'm doing a deep dive into some Jack Daniels stuff here. Coming up soon, you're going to see a lot of these distillery series reviews. I have never had any of these. As big of a Jack Daniels fan as I am, I've never been even in a liquor store that had these as far as I can remember. I only did a few liquor store stops in Tennessee on my way to North Carolina from Kentucky when I was doing the Bourbon Trail trip last November. I never saw these, and I'm a big Jack Daniels fan, so I can't wait to try this. I don't know what to expect from this at all. So this is Jack Daniels Distilleries Series, straight Tennessee whiskey finished in añejo tequila barrels. Comes in at 90 proof. This is selection number 11, released July of 2023. And these are really cool. These little 375s are a really cool way to do some unique stuff. These do retail around 40 bucks. I got these from a friend of mine who was on a trip. Brandon, my boy Brandon, was on a trip in Tennessee and grabbed a few of these from me. So I have a few of these that I'm going to do. But to my knowledge, I have never had any whiskey aged in a tequila barrel. I have had tequila aged in Buffalo Trace barrels. And I believe I had a one that was like in blends. I had it like some store had one, and I tried it at the store. To be honest, I don't really know what to expect with this. And I'm typically not a fan of finished stuff, but Jack Daniels has been like really crushing it lately with their special releases. And some of this experimental stuff is really cool, and I had to give it a shot and see. So let's go ahead, enough talking, let's get into the nose here. All right, that is a very, very unique smelling bourbon. I am not a huge tequila fan. I used to sip tequila on occasion, but it's not something that I go to. I've always been a whiskey guy. Like I would definitely gravitate towards whiskey before I gravitated toward any other spirit. Like I'm not a vodka person. I don't get it. But I will tell you this nose is very interesting, even at 90 proof. I get really dark honey and some like bright, almost like a metallic tequila note. Obviously. It smells really, really good. I can't really distinguish too much from it. I just kind of get oak and like dark vanilla. I'm sorry, dark honey. And that's kind of it. It smells smoky too. I will say that. There's like a char smell to this. That's awesome. I like the nose on this a lot. It's very interesting. Not a ton to pick out, but it's very distinct. I don't think I've ever had a bourbon that or a whiskey that smelled like this. It smells great. Enough talking about the nose. Let's get into a mouthing here and see how we feel. Oh, God. I don't think I like this. Yeah, I'm not a fan of that. Nope. Very bitter. Very bitter. Almost like the alcoholic version of like the powder citric acid or whatever it's called, that's like sprinkled on warheads when you were a kid. It is very bitter. Yeah, I'm not a fan of that at all. I'm not even gonna finish the sip. That's disappointing. Did not like that really at all. Cool to have for sure, interesting, but I don't think I would buy this again. This can't be that bad, can it? Is it this bad? Yeah, I'm not a fan. There's no finish. It comes on really, really strong, punches your tongue in the face, which doesn't make sense. You get what I'm saying. And then it backs off, and then there's nothing there. It kind of tastes like bitter citric acid water. Jack Daniels, I rarely say this, but this is a miss. I don't like this at all. Well, unfortunately, that's the review. Let me know if you've had this before and what you think about it. Am I off on this? I don't think tequila and whiskey is a very good combination. Not for me, at least. So comment down below, let me know if you've had this. If there's any of these that are better, like is this the one release that's bad or something? Comment down below. While you're down there, leave a like and subscribe as well. We are almost to 1,000 subscribers, so let's cross that barrier. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Until then, cheers.